Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add apps to Slack. Slack gets even better when you integrate apps like Zoom, Trello or Google Drive. With just a few clicks, you can add apps that enhance productivity, communication and workflows. And here's how to add apps to Slack in under 2 minutes. The first step is to add apps to Slack. And to do that, just open the Slack app directory by going to your web browser and then in the search bar type in slack.com/apps, as you can see here, and click to visit the website. And this is the website you want to access here. Now once you're in the website, click on the search bar and then or click on apps in the sidebar and then search for the app you want. For example, Google Drive, Asana or Zoom. For this example, I'm gonna look for Zoom. Let's look for the Zoom app. And as you can see, these are the suggestions that the website gives us. I'm gonna click on the first option right here because it's the option I want. And after that, the third step is to click Add to Slack. Now you're gonna hit the Add to Slack button. It's the green one right here that says Add to Slack. And grant necessary permissions and sign into the app you're connecting if needed. The fourth step is to use the app in Slack. Now after giving the necessary permission and signing into the app you're connecting, the fourth step is to use the app in Slack. Many app allows you to run commands directly from a message box, for example /zoom or etc. You can go to slash here, Slack, and then type in a message /zoom, and that's the command for the Zoom to start a Zoom call. Other post updates or lets you create tasks. Adding apps to Slack takes just a few clicks and unlocks new possibilities inside your workspace, from task management to video calls. It's all in one place. Remember, only install apps that you and your team will actually use, and check admin permission if installation is blocked. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.